All right, so this data comes from real-statistics.com. You can search for their two-way Anova, two-factor Anova without replication. So the difference with the with replication is that you've got multiple data within the different bins. In this case, it was watering and sunlight. But here you see we've got three different blends, but within each blend we only have one of wheat, corn, soy, and rice respectively. So this will be Anova Two Factor without replication. So using the XLMiner, the input range for this will be from A2 to E5 in my case. Labels are in the first row. Alpha's always going to be 0.05, and then the range, output range, I'll put this in I1. And then click OK. And you see here the results. So I'm going to zoom into the Anova part. So the blends are in the rows, because that's how they're labeled here, and then the types are in the columns. Here we see that the blends are statistically significant, so those provide differences, but there was no statistical significance with types. Also note one difference with the replication and without replication is that when you do the Anova, you don't have an interaction term between the two like you do with replication because you just don't have enough data to determine that.